John and I are on the Celebrity Reflection, and this cruise we are staying in a suite that is a first time for us. We're staying in the Signature Suite. It's one of the premium suites, and we're in cabin 4111. Let's go. I'm going to show you the whole tour. Hello everybody, Joyce here with the Traveling Gamblers, and I am here with John. Hello John.
Hello Joyce.
Let's go. We are just outside in the hallway. There's double doors, double glass doors, and you have to tap your card to get into the doors. But since we're during the embarkation process, they have the door propped open. But normally this door is closed and you would have to tap your key to get in. And these are the premium signature suites down this hall. And our cabin is right here, the first one on the left. For those of you that know, 111 is special for us. And let's take a look inside. So it's a 1-bedroom suite, but it has a full living room, and it has lots of little extras and surprises. When you first walk in, to the immediate left, the immediate left is the button for the lights. Some of the ceiling lights. While I'm here, on the back of the door is your information for your assembly station. This tells you where your assembly station is, the deck that it is on, tells you where you're located, you are here, and your best route to get there. And then below is information about the general emergency alarm and your life jackets in your cabin. They are in your cabin. They're located in the wardrobe, but there's also information. If you're not in your cabin, you just go directly to your assembly station. And there's the stateroom number. We have the little peephole. And right here is your minibar setup. With a premium suite, you get 2 bottles of premium liquor or alcohol to choose from. They called us in advance, and I chose the Don Julio Reposado. So we have 2 bottles of that, and quite honestly, we won't use them, so we'll just take them home with us. Next to that is the coffee setup. There's a Lavazza coffee station, and here is a little setup for the coffee pods, and they will give you more upon request, or they'll just fill it for you automatically every day. And over here you have a drink tray, beverage tray, and your ice bucket and your glasses. Directly below that is a beverage refrigerator. Right now it's empty, but they will fill it for you if you'd like. This suite comes with 4 devices of Wi-Fi for each guest and the premium drink package. There's a drawer. It's about 3 inches deep. Below that is the regular refrigerator. And again, they will fill that with whatever beverages you want. And then they will replenish it as the cruise goes on. And then next to that, we have 3 drawers, 3 different sizes. This one is about 3 inches deep, nice soft close, 4 inches deep, and about 6 inches deep down there. Some nice decor. Mirrors on the wall here, and then into the living room. And before we go there, just opposite the bar is a full wardrobe. So you could sleep 4 in this cabin. The couch opens up to a bed, and this would be the wardrobe for the guests out here if you were to have any. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4 shelves total. That's our laundry that's going to go out today because we're on a back-to-back. You also get unlimited laundry when you're in a premium suite, and you get the unlimited specialty dining as well. There's your hangers, laundry bags, your tote, your umbrellas, your safe. It's a decent sized safe. It would hold a laptop, and then there's your life jackets. And let's move along into the living room. As I said, there's a sofa bed, pulls out, becomes looks like a queen. There's a drawer here with a table with 2 drawers, 3 inches deep and about 4 inches deep. And this is all your papers that come with the cabin, everything that you need to know about being in the retreat, a suite, all of your people that are here to assist you the hotel director, your butler, your stateroom attendant, and the concierge for the retreat. Everything that you need to know. Just a couple little wallets for you to take, but the folio is not for you to take. You need to leave that one behind. Sofa, excuse me, some champagne, compliments of the hotel director. Over here we have a large screen TV. There's some Bose speakers. This is complimentary sunglasses for the retreat sun deck. Here's your remote. There's a couple outlets here. We have a 110 and a European plug. And you got a lamp there, nice chair. There's your sofa. It's a nice looking living room, nice and spacious. And then, of course, over there is your balcony. We'll go out there last. On the wall, you have some light sconces. No shortage of lights in here. Lots of lights on the ceiling, lots of lights on the walls. Over here is your switches. And then your thermostat. And I don't know if there's two thermostats. We'll find out, but I'm guessing there might be two thermostats. One for the living room, one for the bedroom. Speaking of the bedroom, there's a door here. So if you do have other guests with you, there's a separate bedroom. And when you open the door, it'll stay positioned open for you. Nice king size bed. The foot of the bed, big TV. There's a vanity over there with a drawer and a chair with a back on it, which is lovely. There's a couple light switches. We have a total of 6 drawers, 4 on the top that are about 3 inches deep, and then 2 on the bottom that are about 6 inches deep. There's your remote for the TV. A lighted mirror. The button is underneath the mirror for that, on and off. You have 2 more outlets here and a thin drawer for personal items right underneath the vanity, and of course the chair. On either side of the bed, we have a nightstand with a drawer. Lots of storage. 2 lamps. On either side of the bed are the controls for the lamps, and on the other side is the controls for the ceiling lights as well. Nice floor to ceiling windows, and that's the balcony. We're going to go out there soon. Oh, there's your second thermostat. So there's a thermostat for the bedroom as well. I like it all the way cold. There's your controls for the ceiling lights and your lamp. Same nightstand, your phone, a pad with pen. And then into the bathroom and the closet, a full-length mirror. There's a light switch here. Oh, I see. That one seems, there we go. It's a little bit of a delay. Oh, and there's a really big mirror here. And then behind the door, this is the bathroom door. We close the bathroom door. We have a closet. The light comes on. There's your retreat robes and your retreat slippers. And another full-size wardrobe. There's our clothes. They moved from our other cabin. And a nice big drawer here. And a big shelf below. So lots of storage. Definitely plenty. And then the bathroom is behind this door. Bathroom's cool. It's a big bathroom. Nice big sink. Some counter space. Lots of storage here. We have 4 shelves behind the glass door here. Lots and lots of storage. And the same on the other side. Both sides are identical. There's a drawer here about 4 inches deep and another door with 2 shelves. There's your towels, cotton swabs, cotton balls, shower caps. They give you the retreat amenities. Body lotion. In the shower is gel, shampoo, and conditioner. Here are your light controls for the bathroom. Tissues, soap, hand soap for the sink. Your washcloths, more storage space over here. And then again, the same thing that's on the other side. A nice big lighted mirror. There's your commode, your towels, and the tub. Let's take a look at the tub. So the tub is a nice big soaking tub. Look at that. Jacuzzi tub. There's your on-off and your hot-cold. There's a rain shower head. You have a wand as well. There's your amenities. And a nice headrest. And those are your buttons for the jets. There's a bar for getting in and out. There's one here. That's it. There's just the one bar. There's your light switches to control the lights for in the shower. Well, I guess they control the overhead lights in the bathroom. Okay. There we go. Nice. So definitely going to be taking advantage of this tub. And then last but not least, let's go take a look at the balcony. So back out into the living room. And it's a sliding door. Handle up is locked. Handle down, nope, the other way around. Yeah, no, that's right. Is open and slide. And we're in Fort Lauderdale. We're in Port. There's a dining table and 2 chairs. You can have a meal or snack or pre-dinner drink. 2 chairs with ottomans. It's a big balcony. It's a really big balcony. Let me see if I can get in the corner here to give you an idea of how big it is. It's really large. It's the width of the cabin. And then over there, there's a tub. Tub outside on the balcony. And a rain head shower. Look at that. Can you imagine? And there's some jets. Very nice. That's lovely. I'm excited to spend a few days in here. That, my friends, does it for the full cabin tour of the Signature Suite. It's only on the Reflection. It's the only ship that has the Signature Suites. And I believe there's 5 of them. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. It lets us know what you like and it helps out the channel. If you haven't done so already, hit subscribe and follow us along. We record all of our travels and all of our gambling. We are the Traveling Gamblers. Thank you so much for your support. We truly appreciate it. And as always, we hope you have a wonderful day.